My name is Ethan with Stillwell. We're here today with this beautiful Featherlite trailer. It's one of their 2024 gooseneck 4-horse trailers. And we're going to show you today how easy it is to upgrade your jacks from an old school crank jack to one of our Vaquero Hydraulic Jacks. So tag along with me today as we show you how simple the process can be, and we'll get right to it.